In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Brevo subscription. Whether you're winding down some operations, simplifying your expenses, or just taking a break, I'll guide you through this process step by step so that it's as smooth and hassle-free as possible. First, let's get started by opening your preferred web browser. This might be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever one you prefer. Once you're there, go ahead and navigate to the official Brevo website. This is where it all begins, as you need to access your Brevo account to make the changes you want. Once you've arrived at the Brevo homepage, you'll want to log into your account. Enter your username and password, and click that Login button. It's essential to ensure that you're logging into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple Brevo accounts or share a computer with someone else. Now that you've successfully logged in, you're ready to proceed to the next step. Next, you're going to search for the Cancel Subscription option. This is usually found towards the bottom of the page. Take a moment to scroll down and explore the likely areas like account settings or subscription settings, as that's often where these options are housed. Sometimes, these options get buried under other links or tabs, so keep an eye out for anything mentioning subscriptions or billing. If you have multiple Brevo plans, it's crucial to take a moment here and select the specific subscription plan you're interested in canceling. Brevo might prompt you with a question asking for the reason you're choosing to cancel. This is simply for their feedback and understanding, so go ahead and provide any requested information. Offering feedback here can often assist companies in improving their service for the future. Now, after you've selected your plan and possibly explained your reason for cancellation, you're at the final decision point. It's time to confirm your cancellation. You'll likely see a button that lets you finalize this decision. By confirming, you ensure that your subscription will not renew for the next billing cycle. Keep an eye out for any confirmation emails or notifications, which will serve as proof that you've successfully canceled your subscription. And there you have it. You've successfully completed the cancellation process. Remember, if you face any issues along the way or require additional assistance, Brevo's customer support is there to help answer your questions. Whether you're canceling just for now or indefinitely, you can always return and restart your subscription when you feel ready. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough has made your task simple and straightforward. Enjoy the peace of mind you've gained by managing your subscription on your terms.